Best deals.
1. Electric Steamer. Prepare a variety of dishes effortlessly, from perfectly boiled eggs using the dedicated egg tray to delicious idlis with the idli stand. The detachable see-through glass lid allows you to keep an eye on your cooking, ensuring the perfect results every time. The kettle is equipped with a 100% copper wire conductor in the power cord, delivering 600 watts of power to boil water faster than traditional methods. You can boil 1.2 liters of water in one go. The elegant stainless steel body with a matte finish exterior not only looks stylish but is also easy to clean. Also, enjoy the convenience of the detachable 360 degrees rotating base, a wide mouth for easy filling and cleaning, and a temperature control knob for precision cooking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Hamburger machine. Has 3 parts for different functions. The bottom mode is the basic, could make a big stuffed patty. The middle is an updated design for a sandwich burger. The top could make a small stuffed patty. 1 product but mild functions. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Yogurt maker. With its fully automatic feature, a yogurt maker for home just needs you to plug it in to start making yogurt or natto and rice wine, other great sources of probiotics. Yogurt can improve your gut and overall health if made right. Ours ferments milk at the right temperature so you get more long-lasting probiotics in every batch you make. Thanks to its 1-liter capacity, a yogurt machine will let you make enough healthy and nutritious yogurt to share with your loved ones. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric toaster. Revive your cold toast in an instant with a simple push of a button. Enjoy warm, crispy toast without any hassle. Toaster lets you defrost and toast freezer-stored slices effortlessly. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Griller. Bake soft bread and delicious cakes, toast oil-free papads and rotis, grill vegetables, meats and do so much more. Easy to clean crumb tray to collect crumbs that fall off during baking. Grilling. Has auto shut-off timer function with a ready bell. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Egg boiler. It comes with stainless steel body and flat heating plate which helps in boiling up to 8 eggs at a time within minutes. The power will be turned off once the water in the egg boiler is dry boiled. Comes with 4 food-grade poaching trays for steaming different foods like poached eggs, dokla, corn, made especially for your convenience. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Dosa maker. Prepare a variety of dosa, chilla, pancakes, crepes, parantha, uttapam, omelets and many more dishes with this dosa maker having cooking area of 30 centimeters. Adjustable temperature control to choose different levels of heat settings as per the requirement. Prepare fresh and hygienic dosas, chilla, paratha, omelette and many more dishes. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Electric popcorn maker. Delivers fresh, hot popcorn in just minutes, making it perfect for parties, movie nights, or quick snacks at home. The machine uses hot oil to ensure each kernel is evenly popped, providing delicious, crunchy popcorn with rich flavor. Designed with a non-stick surface, the popcorn maker is easy to clean, preventing kernels from sticking and reducing cleanup time. The spacious lid can be flipped over and used as a convenient serving bowl, allowing you to pop and serve in one step. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Pizza maker. The elegant, strong, non-toxic, stain-resistant, ceramic-coated metal body and glass lid withstand high temperatures to give you excellent results every time. The glass lid traps the heat inside, creating an oven-like heated chamber. The inner walls have been precisely engineered to place the pizza pan and cake mold at the correct height required for baking cakes or pizza. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Electric pressure cooker. Pressure regulator. Ensures working pressure below the safety limit. Anti-blockage vent. Prevents food debris from blocking the vent. Safety lid lock. Prevents accidental opening of the cooker while it is pressurized. Designed with a sensor for lid position detection, monitors whether the lid is in an unsafe position for pressure cooking. Automatic temperature control. Regulates temperature based on the type of program being selected. High temperature monitoring, avoids burning food. Automatic pressure controller, keeps pressure always in the safe range. Electrical current and temperature fuse cuts off power if the current or internal temperature exceeds safety limits. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Roti Maker. Features high-quality non-stick plates that ensure smooth and even cooking without the dough sticking. This makes rolling and cooking rotis, dosa, chapatis, tortilla and parathas hassle-free, while also making cleanup quick and easy. Enjoy perfectly round and evenly cooked flatbreads every time with minimal effort. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Dosa Maker. Being everyone's favorite, egg flip comes as a savior. Say goodbye to spending a lot of time making dosas. Now with just one click, you can have multiple dosas that are crispy and crunchy. Cleaning is the hardest task and time-consuming after you prepare food. With egg flip, cleaning has become hassle-free and effortless. And guess what? You do not require so much time to clean once you are done making multiple dosas at just one click of a button. Cooking is the part where we get drained and most of our time is almost spent only in the kitchen. With egg flip now you can make dosas anytime and anywhere with zero effort, and surprisingly you do not require an actual kitchen to cook dosas now. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Soda Maker. Enjoy the convenience of making refreshing fizzy drinks at home or on the go. Its compact, lightweight and portable design fits perfectly in your bag, ensuring you and your family can enjoy healthy, homemade fizzy drinks anytime, anywhere. Creating your favorite fizzy beverages has never been easier. Just fill the bottle with water, attach the soda maker lid, and it automatically starts creating fizz. It's that simple. Enjoy refreshing homemade fizzy drinks with minimal effort. Start making delicious sparkling drinks immediately with the included soda capsules. Perfect for making a wide variety of beverages, including mocktails, cocktails, spritzes, flavored sodas, and traditional Indian drinks like jaljeera. Whether you are looking to whip up a fun, fizzy drink for the kids, create a sophisticated cocktail for a dinner party, or enjoy a refreshing spritzer on a hot day, the portable soda maker has you covered. Comes with a soda maker cap for carbonation and a normal bottle cap with a grip for easy handling. You can create your drink directly in the bottle or mix in a glass and add soda from the top, offering flexibility and convenience. This versatile design ensures you can enjoy fizzy beverages the way you prefer, whether at home or on the go. Made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, the portable soda maker ensures your drinks are safe and healthy. Product link is given in the 13th link.